type of equilibrium. All objects at rest or in equilibrium, all of the force acting on them are balanced. The sum of all linear force equals 0 and the sum of all torque equals 0. The state of system that is not experiencing any changes in its direction or speed. Equilibrium may be static and dynamic. Static equilibrium. When sum of force and the sum of movement acting on the body is both equals to 0. The body is said to be the static equilibrium. For example, gymnast performing T position on a steel ring. Because the gymnast is not making any movement, it is said to be the state of static equilibrium. Dynamic equilibrium. When a body moving with constant linear or angular velocity, which can occur if the sum of the force and the sum of torque acting on it is 0. An object can maintain stability only when force acting on its having resultant is 0. A skydiver get in terminal velocity, he reaches a magnitude equals to that of his weight. If the weight and the resistance force are equals to 0, the skydiver is thus in a state of dynamic equilibrium. Depending upon the degree of stability, they are further divided in three categories: the stable equilibrium, unstable equilibrium, and the neutral equilibrium. Stable equilibrium. Stable equilibrium occurs when an object is in a position that to disturb it will require its center of gravity to be raised. A simple example is that of a brick. When the widest part of the brick is in contact with the surface, that is the board of support, base of support, it is quite stable. To disturb it, the brick will have to be tipped up in any direction that raise its center of gravity. For example, gymnast hanging on a horizontal bar. In this case, when a force is applied on the gymnast, it results in rotating. But after some time, the gymnast regain his original position. Same as in pendulum, when a force is applied on a pendulum, the pendulum starts swinging from its mean position, that is A, and allow a curvilinear path to B and C and come back as shown in the figure. However, after a certain time, it regains its original position at A. Unstable equilibrium. Unstable equilibrium occurs when only a slight force is needed to disturb an object. Balancing a pencil with the pointed end is a good example. Once balanced, it takes a little force to knock the pencil over. For example, handstand on a parallel bar. In this case, when a small force is applied on the gymnast, rotation occurs. As gravity is acting on the gymnast, the rotation is intensified and finally the gymnast come to a state of stable equilibrium. Neutral equilibrium. Neutral equilibrium exists when an object center of the gravity is neither raised nor lowered. When it is disturbed, a good example will be the ball. As the ball rolls across the floor, its center of the gravity remains the same. For example, a ball lying on a level surface. In this case, the position of the ball is such that the new position is similar to that of the original